On tonight's episode, Matt forgets the cameras turned on.
Is it recording yet?
Yeah, it's recording.
Matt knows the camera's turned on.
I don't want to see you.
And we turn the camera off to have a break.
Simon! Tea biscuits!
I'm going on holiday tomorrow, so I'm having to cobble together an edit of some of the footage that we've taken over the last couple of weeks. This mainly involves cleaning the subframes, the floor, and getting the metro in the corner of the workshop. Matt has got an amazing warehouse with all the equipment that we need. And Matt's equipment includes a lengthy hose.
Here's a man with a hose pipe.
Got a hose pipe.
Once everything's steam cleaned, it'll be stripped and sent off to the powder coaters. Don't worry, we're not falling behind. This has already happened.
Let's hope it's not a preview of Italy.
All we need to do now is clean up the workshop. The Metro is now on a frame with wheels, so we can easily put it where we want it.
Good. There's two wheels on this which aren't on steering.
And that's almost it for this episode. In reality we have done a lot more, but just haven't had time to edit it all together.
Tonight's biscuit of choice, Borders dark chocolate orange. Dark chocolate. Hang on. Tonight's biscuit of choice, dark chocolate gingers and orange by Borders. A classy biscuit for classy men. So Mike won't be having any.
Classy men, does it say?
Thank you for joining us for this shortened episode of Crap Car Collective. No doubt normal service will resume as soon as I'm back from my holiday. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share.
Mike's got the sulk on and he's going home. Don't get like that! Don't get like that! Any funny cat stories, Mike?